All right, it's time to get the heads out of the parts washer. These have been soaking for about a week, and I've really done minimal scrubbing, mainly on the intake ports, just to clean those. But this oil eater degreaser was clear when I put these in here. If I take the light away, you can obviously tell it's pretty dark. So let's get these out and see what they look like. All right, here we go. All right, let's check this out. Man, they look pretty clean to me. I'll still have some work to do, but as far as them being clean, there's no doubt about it. They are clean. So these are 706 heads, by the way. So really the worst part of these was the intake ports. I did scrub those with just a brush down in the bath. But man, they look pretty good. There's not a lot of cleanup left. Of course, here's the business end. And I still have to clean all this up, of course, but man, what a difference. They look great. So this product I'm using, oil eater cleaner and degreaser. It's about 50 bucks, 50 something bucks, 60 bucks, Amazon. So I've used this on valve covers so far. These I did not scrub at all. That's how they came out. Of course, I soaked them for, a while. Pistons and rods. I did have to clean the ring grooves, but all the buildup that was on the top of the pistons just dissolved. Oil pan. This is the rear cover. Front cover, windage tray. So anyway, this oil eater product works fantastic. So if you have some time to let stuff soak, get you a parts washer, fill it up, just let it soak. You won't have a lot of scrubbing to do. This is awesome. Very happy.